everyone. For those of you who know my mom, you know that she doesn't get on her Facebook that often. And today we're going to teach her a lesson because this morning, Lance Christian issued her the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Now, in order to raise and support awareness for a cure for ALS, she had 24 hours to pour a bucket of ice water on her head and issue the challenge to somebody else to complete. Since Ashley and I are helping her out, we thought we'd go ahead and issue the challenge for her. So we choose Andy King, Daniel John, and my grandfather, George Samuel. Remember, you have 24 hours to complete the challenge. Here we go.
Hey guys, what are you doing out here?
We're just enjoying.
Mom, how are you?
What are you doing? Why are you?
Oh,
me?
you know, just because it's fun.
Why are you doing that?
Love you so much, Mom. I swear, don't hug me, you're wet and cold, but... Welcome.
Are you surprised?
Yeah, a little. Yeah.
So, Lance Christian issued you the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge this morning, which meant that you had 24 hours to pour a bucket of ice water on your head in order to raise awareness about ALS and hopefully some money for the ALS Association to find a cure. So, we decided that since you don't check your Facebook and hadn't seen it yet, we'd just go ahead and take care of that for you.
Thanks.
You're so welcome.
Thanks, Lance. I owe you one.
I noticed you were very careful about keeping your hair dry over here.
Alright, thanks everybody for watching. This has been the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge with the Javeri family.